Homemade flour tortillas. 2 cups all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup warm water, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Add warm water and vegetable oil to the bowl and mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out on a lightly floured surface and knead it for a few minutes until it becomes smooth. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions and roll each portion into a ball. Using a rolling pin, roll out each ball of dough into a thick round tortilla. You can make them as thin or thick as you like. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Place a tortilla in the skillet and cook for about 30 seconds on each side, or until it starts to puff up and brown slightly. Repeat with the remaining tortillas, stacking them on a plate as you go. Dice some red onions. They look purple if you ask me. In a mixing bowl, mix together the black beans, corn, diced red onions, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Heat a little bit of cooking oil in a skillet over medium heat. Lay a tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle 1/4 of the cheese over half of the tortilla. Spoon 1/4 of the bean and corn mixture over the cheese, and fold the other half of the tortilla over to create a half moon shape. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the cheese is melted and the tortilla is crispy. Repeat with the remaining tortillas and filling. This recipe makes 4 quesadillas and can easily be customized based on what you have. Help save the planet by using organic, reusable food wrap.